Have you ever lost your multi-factor authentication device and found yourself locked out of your accounts? It's a frustrating situation, but thankfully, there are solutions. This video will guide you through recovery options and proactive steps to prevent future lockouts. Losing your MFA device or getting locked out of accounts can feel like a digital nightmare. But don't panic, there are ways to regain access. Let's explore the various recovery options available to you. Recovery codes are your first line of defense. Always keep these in a safe, accessible place, separate from your device. For critical accounts, set up secondary authenticators. This could be another device, an authenticator app, or even a physical security key. When all else fails, most services have admin reset paths. This usually involves verifying your identity through a support process. Now, let's talk about proactive steps to set up future you for success. Take just 90 seconds to set up these recovery methods now. It will save you immense hassle later. In conclusion, don't let IT issues hold you back from your daily productivity. Implement these fixes proactively, and you'll have peace of mind knowing you're prepared. These simple steps can prevent major headaches down the line. Or, for seamless IT support, give Maddie at Asambe a try. Maddie is an AI-first IT support expert who provides reasonable responses to your IT issues. Don't give up. Help is always available.
Hit that subscribe button below and join our community.